You're looking to build a deck and you don't know where to start? We got you covered. These are common questions. Do you need a permit or not? You don't know if wood or composite is better. You don't know how to choose between hundreds of different types of composite boards and materials. We got the answers. Here's the thing. At Royal Deck, we know decks. Schedule a free estimate. One of our deck experts will visit you, take proper measurements, present design options, and bring our mobile showroom with all available samples to your driveway. We are the leading deck building company in Chicago area. We specialize in composite decking. It's durable, low maintenance, and environmentally friendly. It's perfect for Chicago climate. With composite, you get the look of natural wood without the hassle of constant upkeep. We understand that your outdoor space is an extension of your home, a place for family, friends, and relaxation. That's why we focus on quality, craftsmanship, and attention to detail in every project we do. At Royal Deck, you'll get a personalized experience from start to finish. Schedule a free on-site consultation straight from our website by choosing a date and time convenient for you.
See you in your backyard.